Yeah, Junior Kanye TV siyabonga mfethu opportunity kuNkulunkulu nabasiphethe abadala. Yeah, no. Isikhathi lesasikho esinye don't forget hashtag by Twitter hashtag WSB. Without waste isikhathi ngiphethe uMichael Zizu Nkambule. Michael kunjani mfana?
Wona khona.
Kren.
Amina.
Yayithibambe isandla. Weekend yakho ikren.
Amina khona.
Yeah, mfana without waste isikhathi ama team esina 4 teams wase South Africa. Stellenbosch. Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns. Sundowns and Pirates Champions League. Confederation Cup, Kaizer Chiefs, Stellenbosch. Michael, team ngale ngale game le Orlando Pirates. We saw Orlando Pirates going away. Skomanga last week. Orlando Pirates are conceded about 3 goals. Coming back this side, we won in the game fan.
Yeah, into engayisho nokho manje first ngizoqala ngale game yaba away noma zange sikhona ukuthi siyiwone leyo game, but into engifuna ukuyisho kuqala la I think iCAF mele ingenelele kulezi zinto lezi man. Ama game eChampions League wonke I think should be broadcast ukuthi wonke umuntu akhona ukuthi abone ama team ukuthi ayenza kanjani, because ama supporters angeke usupport i-team yakho the whole season nasiyodlala iChampions League usakhona ukuyibukela ukuthi kuyenzakala. So I think lapho man iCAF lento le I think imele ingenelele izama ukuthi kube nomehluko kulento enzakalayo.
Yeah. We can't fault Orlando Pirates as far as I heard. I think them ngikhuluma ngase DRC bebadlala kule stadium bese TP Mazembe as far as I heard nami kancane. Pirates akusifault yabo. Pirates noma ngabe they brought their own cameraman and stuff. Ngibonile some people they try to ngikhuluma ngani last week njengoba they were using training. Bazamile ukuthi by broadcast noma iangle bengavuma abanye ngamafoni, you can tell beli khatheke obvious. Fault those teams. I'm talking about the home team. I'm not too sure ukuthi bona i-federation yabo that side kanjani. I'm not too sure. Right, the ICAF need to come to the party. Ngala game njengala very important games. You cannot as a spectator watch your team the whole season we support and then kula game njengala sikhuluma ngala vital games you don't see them. I think you are right. You are right because who is the with Banrote? You understand about Banrote? It's very very simple. Yeah, I believe
Yeah, because kulento leyo nokho man siyibonile lento enzakala, like it's not the first time siyibona lento with these teams from the West Africa ukuthi like how they treat like giving the treatment in terms of ama players. It's bad they out there, because I remember nasidlala ku national team we used to udlala ama games nje. When you go there bona banika a bad treatment, you understand? But whenever they come to South Africa, we are giving them a treatment you understand? So in terms of football wise, it's not a FIFA fair play njengoba bahlala bayipreacher. So one thing ngifuna ukuthi yenza ngokhothmani, everybody should be treated fair. I think these teams now ICAF that's why I say must take over ukuthi nabo kulezinto lezi in terms of ama hotels, in terms of ama bookings wama players. I think namele babe nesandla nami ukuthi ama player wonke protected in terms of safety na everything.
Yeah, watching the game there Saturday, I can tell. I'm wondering good kwenzakale.
Yeah.
Ngikhuluma ngase DRC, watching those people. I'm talking about the team. If a team themselves behave ngale ndlela, I'm wondering ama supporter would behave kanjani. Federation, I'm talking about people who are running football that side. I'm wondering ukuthi bona bayitreat kanjani Orlando Pirates, because I can tell now I think the treatment it was bad, because those people, their game layer, there are many people that some the way everybody rough kakhona mfethu 2 players mina for me in their team kumele bayithole red cards.
Yeah, it shows Rodman ukuthi labantu laba, if these people they can come to South Africa and then treat polish ama Pirates the way they did. Yakubonisa ukuthi the time base Congo and they are coming to the game but it 3-0. Imagine ukuthi eCongo bekwenzakalani.
Yeah.
Because I think Pirates, that's where they lost their game. But in terms of standard, I think that I don't think could be treated man, because I don't think a good Pirates being a loser to such a team without good injury but disrespect. But the Pirates is stronger than that team.
Yeah, true. But we need to be realistic, man. Let's face the reality. Pirates lost 3-0. If you see it to the game now, Pirates lost 3-0. One, i-Pirates mfethu, one of the exciting team in South African football. Going away, lose 3-0. Asibonanga sonke igame, nami ngibona ama-clip. You understand? I saw the clips, I saw the goals. Into enginotisile, they've got different three, those people ngikhuluma ngawe, the way badlala ngakhona, different team. Mangibona Saturday. Badlala nge-front three, very, very dynamic. Ngibonile ba-apply khona enye ingwenye i-striker le ebabambela amabhola. Sekuna fighting le kule game le second leg. Bayenzile bamshiya lo bamchitha loan. Carry two players, which is Usiema, Nombokazi, bekabe bekuyi-directly out. Yabo, it's a pity we angathini. It's not a player who take somebody on, but we are bullish mjita. Bekana ma-wing ayi-2. Mangicheck amagoli wabo, ngikhuluma ngawe, mangibheka ama-clip. Igoli lokuqala, it was a long ball, if not mistaken, ngikhuluma ngawe, long ball, lengwenye yalidropha, and then they went wide, while cross. I'm not too sure a striker was lengwenye idlala ku-right wing. Livele ka-left, and it was a goal. Second goal as well, I think livele ka-left. Also the third goal vele ka-left. Amakopane front three, ngisho away, bekunenye front three ngithe mangibona ama-clips. Bekunama 3v3, 3v2 amaningi, 3v3 kule game ya-away. Ngabonile 3 or 4. But they managed to score 3 goals. I-blunder, i-Pirates ngibonile badlalisa uSibisi. Usually i-Pirates they were playing uSiema, Nombokazi. And away, ngabona coach from Norway, ilethe uSibisi adlala Nombokazi. What do you think of leyo nto leyo mfana?
I think tactically ngingasho ukuthi mhlambe mshayile lento ngoba mhlambe ithought ukuthi uSibisi will bring more experience compared to uSiema, because uSiema, if you can check, bamsayine kule season lena akanayo the experience like udlala even ngakadlala internationally. So I think he opted for uSiema, uSibisi, instead ukuthi aqhubeke ngoSiema. But nayo lento izomshaya because now ukhumbule as footballers waiting match fitness, waiting everything. We understand.
Confident.
So uSibisi unesikhathi esingakanani nahleni. So I think yela backfire nayo kuye lento leyo. Yabuya mhonzi.
Yeah, uring ivar because you cannot. The confident, phela kune chemistry between this guy Usiema and Nombokazi. We talk about the understanding, the balance ya one another. I know with experience of Vital, we can't run away from that. Especially being Chelutona as well as Chudo. You will never win these type of trophies. You need experience, but experienced players who are fit, ready as well, psychologically and physically. Now I don't think uSibisi, he was ready. No rusty corner. Obviously, somehow a bit of understanding. Uba late. Between him and Bogas Nami, ngiyacabanga ukuthi don't idlala indima enkulu. Vital position, 2 center back as well, right? And I think you are right. And Pirates conceding 3 goals in one. When ngicabanga ukuthi kula bayiluze khona away.
I think igame kula imosheke khona uNokhodmane ukuthi ba concede amagoli angaka, understand, because if they didn't concede this much, I think we saw could be different. But 3-0, because we can see nalabachita mabeza lana, they were abeza nokhona igame plan ukuthi our aim is to defend. Bebangafuni even 1 goal. The aim was to defend the 3-0, so that we bang progress, understand.
Yeah.
And as a football, we cannot defend for 90 minutes.
Yes.
Yeah, we would defend in 90 minutes.
Yeah.
Mapanje udlala now, angeke ube threat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coming to his second leg. Those guys as usual, but low block. Without any plan to score all on the Pirates. Every man behind the ball. A very physical game. Made some of never in the street. Meaning Tagile, he came feature. Boy, bona Michael Pirates shot through Kolsuliki.
Mina Pirates when you won't even scoring more goals, because Pirates is a strong team. Okay, bona badli over Pumile, but Pirates is a strong team because mina langi bona ukuthi game balahleke khona. Okay, I beg to differ no coach wadu ule game lena, because he came to the game with almost midfielders. You understand? And then we need goals, and then we bring close to 4-5 I'm a player like Afanayo. You understand? We are bringing central midfielders instead of bringing a proper number 9. And then you say you want goal. You know very well Utlaban Bazo and zero block. And then you are bringing midfielders, okay? Maybe let's say you wanted to keep position more, but you can keep position more without goals. Then to can 7. Because I thought like because I didn't see Mahopa benchini, but he here Mbutuma, here umabasa ebenchini. So for me, I think if they had a proper number 9, I think bona bebazokora more goals, because this is the game whereby they needed ama-early goals. It's not a game where they drag for so long, you understand? They needed ama-early goals in the first half. So I think he different meaning playing without a number 9. Like he cost cool in terms of distance because all the midfielders we have Utito, we have Sipombule, Masindi, and then we have Unduli. Even for me, Gule game, I don't think he was supposed to have a defensive midfield in this game. That's where, okay, if you apply Masindi, you apply Umbule, you put Utito, and then you have a proper number 9. I think Ivanjalo, it was gonna give them more chances with Papo. Because you could see Upuma over Muremi. Muremi was the one who was without any defense. Because obvious, these guys they came in was a very low block. So Umremi was trying to end the 10 any defense. Because without 10 defense, it's not easy to score.
Yeah, Michael, I think what as Sasha, what do you have to coach a good team. Sometimes people will praise you. I'm not saying he's a bad coach, Wadu, but to come to Pirates is a very, very strong team. A very exciting team. Who's coming on the first 11 depth. Whoever's playing at the Pirates, whoever was starting need to step out the rate. You know? So Wadu, I think somehow as a coach, who's admit to it wrong away. By bringing space. Ngithathe lo mfana uSiyema ngibeka ngaphandle. Siyema did very well, him and Bogas. I know that team bedlalile ublock, bebanga nama intentions to go forward. Ukwacheck ola the Pirates. Also, mina ngisasho i-defensive midfield didn't lonke i-delay play on the Pirates. He had so many ball position coach true, but without the cataract team must comment ever. Uqala create chance as usual. I think after about 20 minutes. Yes, after ngikhuluma nge-clear cut chance lepo leyo angazoshaya ipali lo mfana uMremi uthathe run behind the defense. Cause uyu mfana bekathatha ama run behind the defense. Cause coach into enginotisile udlale ngama attacker if not mistaken ay5. 3 central midfielders then they put it that way. Ayinama attacker. Ngikhuluma ngama winger maybe ay3. You understand Utito is a winger bekamdlalisa winger ka right naye. You understand that joining up a police. Umremi ngapha left. So into engiyibonile ngocoach wanted to labantu lava njoba ngana striker bekafuna abadlale off the ball ba run behind the defense. But Utito for me can't run behind the defense angana speed. Agana speed, I need to be honest. And the intelligent ungawacela ama play ukuthi run behind the defense, do they have that intelligence? Not according to me. I know which a police is very good on the feet, technical is very good. Ipola masenya when we ingqondo kunengqondo than running behind the defense. For me, coach. Mremi, yes, he can do because it's got speed. Strengths are mfana kusubamba ibhola akulanda kuka mhlawumbe lokucela short 10 une speed explosive mfana. Technical is very good as well. Nokuthi bamisa ka left awadlala first time ngale nyawo lakhe strong foot. I think he got it right there the coach. As ngitshela nase studios debate ngithi ukuphuma kwakho Mremi kuzoba ijive man because we ngathi threat cause first touch uyifake eboxini umjita I go direct to the ball ama square pass. Ucoach ukuthi afake noNduli I think ikini kube iblanda. Ngiyayithanda i-defensive midfield. I-defensive midfield show up by my care. But it delay play man. To come ukuthi abe nalo it didn't need that guy because those guys they didn't have somebody. Mhlawumbe ngikhuluma nango number 10 even the striker. Everybody was behind the ball, but I didn't block. So for me, I think it was like, yeah, I think somehow Wadu got it wrong. Do you think he line up with Yenzo Wadu? I mean, it's just a question.
We are not sure, man, but man, we are Zenza is in Togula club. You'll never know Guti. But mina for me, Najoba Nisho man. Without a proper number 9, it makes football very difficult. Unless Leo for me, you've trained in a master and was with him, Mr. Roxindoma Vele. Uzoyicala nje ku Champions League kanje. It's a system where upay ukuthi mhlawumbe ukhoyidlala before and then you master it because when you have umbule njengoba usho nombule unoTito, those are not the players that they like to run behind the defense. Okay, bayadlala but abantu abathanda ukudlala enyaweni most of the time. Masindi uthanda ukujoina but okay, still maka joina uzojoina ba uzobaphase bani. You understand? So we need that reference, somebody who wanna stay nama center back, because for them it was easy. Those guys who Tito no these central midfielders, they cannot stay nama center back. So it makes
Tito Unduli and also
Umasangwa no Masindi. You understand? Yes. Because here players who are good passers of the ball. Abantu abafuna ukubheka space baphasa ibhola there. No one ufuna ukuthi ayenzeni run into that space. Because we play a team which have two center back. And then they don't have a striker. It's easy ukuthi bona bangacover whichever way abafuna ukucover kuyo kuzoba. But if you have somebody uzohlala nabo ozorana la kulama spaces even centrally, it makes bona ukuthi babe worry. Even lama passes lawa eza through from midfielders bekuzoba nama foul amaningi. Because we can see the team with bebeze ngamandla. Yonke into yabo amandla. Yebo. So bintabe bazitshela yona ukuthi laba sizoma intimidate. But you need somebody ozombeka lapho ukuthi okay, when you give these deep balls, when just protect those balls sometimes so that ukuthi sithole lawo mafoul. I think there was a kora amabhola amaningi.
Yeah, all right. And funny enough, he had a striker, two strikers on the bench. Okay, Nyambona lo mfana lo Mutunga. Well done for him getting a goal. But umaba something to coaching. Is it about the trust really?
I don't understand.
Maricha vaccine coach there when that was Gamabasa, because even the coach before he arrived, the Babam check. I think Jose Rivera as well, Begam Correla Patuna, Mama came, Bambega 2-3 games, Okore this week Mabasa, and then Mahopa Kade any game.
Yeah, I think nale gule issue ya khod man. If you can check my modern football man, isafana lo kyaqala ukuthi wena mu strike ya striker. It involves good now manje involve manje, because manje ukumaka we start from the front. Sinile umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi naye achase lapha, because if you can check Umabasa is a player who will score goals for you. Umuntu ozohlala lapha akora kusumuntu ozofaka ama defender under pressure, understand? So it's a two different, because uma checka na uMakgopa abantu bamblame bathi uMakgopa is not a player ukuthi sizomthanda, ngeke strike ukuthi uzomthanda, but it different way yenza uMakgopa. Because in terms namanje I think iPirates imisile kule game. Because if uMakgopa was there was gonna be more goals there, I think, for me. Yeah.
But what you need a striker that will bully a center striker forward ezo bayibiza so-called counter press layabo. Because it's pressing. You can say ngamakama theoretically, but it's pressing. You need somebody that will score goals. Kule game bekufune umuntu ozokhola amagoal today. You consider 3 goals as a coach, and your team you consider 3 goals. So wangayibhekanga ukuthi Michael, I can tell you guarantee you anyway it's a game of opinion, angesivumelane ngayo into. Mabaso score goals. He scores vital goals. That guy score goals, and vital goals. Sometimes even it doesn't even play. He come 3-4 games angadlala kuyashaya. And the striker that you're speaking about, ngiyazi Mabaso evident. They believe in him at Orlando Pirates, and umjita uzenzela ukuthi bakhonele kuye. Uyaspana, I know he bully. He sometimes score vital goals for Orlando Pirates. But if you say we can be realistic and honest, Mabasa scores for Orlando Pirates. And in mistake Orlando Pirates zoba ngithasona this season, the downfall, ile ukungadecide lapha front. They need to have that guy. Mina njoba ngisasho mina. Anyway, game of opinion. Mina will start ngayo Mabasa score vital goals. Kule game mfethu. Coach na Mabasa uNombuthuma akamfaki. The way angamtrusting akho. Play mina ngizoyibeka kuye because we're not too sure ukuthi technical team involved. Mara ku Pirates ke game. Mina ngebelieve yami. They are by involved. I know they know football abo there's technical team khuluma ngolando Pirates balazi ibhola bonakala ngama player bosana, but involvement mina I can tell ikhona. By the look of it, mina the way ngibona ngakhona ngoba una 2 strikers who need amagoli 80 goals. Ebe change dimension again. Uthatha strikers be ngaphandle. Ushoot at bathini. Even now Butuman bathini. And Mabasa prove himself more than this point Butuma. And then uqala nomfana uButuma. Yes, well done to the boy. He came, he changed dimension again. You could change the game mfana even get a goal. Yabo when say busy one of my runs off the ball, well done. Yabo though I believe good medal the boy boxing. But ile nto show I think Pirates ifuna this person ozobhula. Angazi uko and defend their front. And then
no, na football manje check manje, like it's a modern football manje, like era manje vele dinga striker ukuthi imele chase, because if you can check na ku yenzakile na ku Real Madrid Mbappe last season, he was less like he was playing as a 9 but bekangayenzi next. But manje uyabona lo Xavi Alonso izinto zitshintshile ufuna umuntu aggressive. You need to put them under pressure because sometimes you'll play teams like Sundowns. If you allow them to play there, bazofika kuwe sebazokushuffle. You understand? So you need to put them under pressure from there. Was because amanye ama-goals abuya from the pressure abantu abayitholayo. Mabaso yena is a goal scorer. That's why if you can check, uRivero umcoachile, but he was preferring uMakgopa over uLontuza. Kwafika Hugo Bros South Africa is preferring uMakgopa over most of the strikers. So it can show you ukuthi uMakgopa is got that thing different compared to these strikers is now like even in terms of ukudlala akusi striker njengoba ngisho ukuthi uzothi wow, but if in terms of movement yakhe you can see man ukuthi lo muntu lo uzokulimaza man.
Yeah, debatable ngisasho namhlanje mangithi debatable even na national team you need a score striker that will decide it goal. Renas can work and score goals at Sundowns. The difference with this boy, evident he works but goals less. Yes, he scores. I know he scores, but Renas different striker, but still njoba usho. It goes lay politics, it's football politics for me, for Mabasa. I need to be realistic, Mike.
Yeah, okay, Renas Nash, okay, it's different because I want to know the issue of Mahopa. When I just mangugele out like in the Zenza, Manga check, okay. Umabaso yakora, but okay, are we gonna wait for Umabaso wuti kora in a pen? Because we need somebody now, because evidence, ngala marano, if you remember the game there by Janani in the Sundowns, he can run PND defense and create a hope, ngalo. I ends a assist to rail, but Monga check Umabaso. You know, cutting this thing, they should give him a assist to put up on, understand? So he plays fun evidence, it's a player wuti, ekmela balnet, aksu wuti ekmela por repair. It makes Wutabo fucking bakore, the wingers Wutabo spelebele abo banban. So that now would melebeze came in bakore because if you can check more than football, it's not like with a central striker, he's the one who should score goals.
Yes.
Even the wingers, they should score goals also, yeah.
Because but now Michael Lukumbule, their technical is good as well. In terms of dribbling, was. And it's not something that he can't do if he can be told. We tend to still pull the Mabaso can do that. If he can be told. Absolutely, if you can be realistic. So it's something that they can speak about now.
Yeah, Pele has learned different ones, man. Umakgopa lento kuyo, Umabaso yena ngachelo. Umabaso lento ayifuna ukusha igoli. Uzokutshela ukuthi sometimes mina ngizopula ngigijima. Mina niche yami ngifuna ukuyisevela mina ukuhlala lapha. Because ama coaches manje futhi man yabo. Monga check into ezenzakalayo manje. Ngufika uyi-coach usayine contract, bakunika mandate. And the mandate for you is to win games. And in order to win games, you must not concede. Pela, before uzokora, we must first defend. You must get that ball in order ukuthi nathi siyokora. So into important na ukuthi before sifuna ukora, we have to defend and get the ball, and then bese siyakora. And in order ukuthi swine, we have to defend that goal. You understand? So defending is very important tonight because if you don't concede and you score goals, you are likely to win more of your games than who to lose, you understand? Because you can score 4 goals and concede 5 goals. So I want to you will a good point.
It's a choice because when I press up the space up behind you, Pela Mabasa evident Baba the space up behind the same
yeah.
But going forward, yeah, I see when they are told on the Paris Michael Dali and Fit, Shalizand. One of the best team in terms of attacking in South Africa, yeah. Pirates, I think the experience. Mina gule game they needed experience. Over Mina, I tama down to go through. I need to be honest. Even being at time with 3 goals, but being as 2 goals they'll score definitely. But their team there, if it was in the current 3 goals against Orlando Pirates, I disbelieve with they can even get their week goal for me. Yabo, which is the coach I think in Abiba let it down the team now. It must be realistic. Because those guys in Babuni, the second half, they came with a different approach. But she's striking one lap. They are going to be a pool. 7 0 bogas lap and no same they work. Because they are okay from a winner white you and if you know number 10 being a white chief. But in Bonnie, when this thing with incredible stretch and then go another at home. Also, all the Pirates make mistakes, will game fit to keep on them touch. I know we play on a yellow card, but Namtetshela mfethu ukwazi le ngwenye arrogant on the big goal number 1. You need be fit attack space with the ball. Mfethu being arrogant I don't can pass. Ezusho first half. Abombule belisuke nyamncane umbulu one of the best. Bengamelanga ngikhiphe futhi anyway. Bebe angadlala as defensive midfield. Umuntu skillful, u understand ukuthi ake ngilose noma nyalo lapha yena ngicwaye ngizona like noma ngilitrapper. If there's no one I'll push the ball umbule can do that. Uyakwazi ukwenza lokho. Uyalazi ball phethe enye vision enye into the way pass uyakwazi. Short and long. Ukudlala unomtetshela makamkhipha. Leyo nomtetsheli balimazile mayiphuma mfethu because bethona eboxing. Iyayishaya ebox. Yangena eboxing yangwenya. And a late runs. Ishangenye intelligence kamfana ende lela bhola likorile very vital goal mfethu. Ngoba iPirates lela bhola from nowhere out of nothing. Ulandele bhola la I think uNduli umdlalile. Cabanga upushe le bhola I think he ran with I think 50 meter yard. One push aba arrogant double up 2 players. I think there was a foul obviously ngibonile le Wednesday there was supposed to be a foul. And then ulibamba le bhola Nduli won the ball and then played. Alibamba nomtetshela wal push ibhola like being arrogant on the ball, good technique. And then albamba goalkeeper wama. Vital goal walanda futhi albele center. Bombona ukuthi usafuna ukuyenza umfana. And umbheke nali boxing beka intha kanjani ukuthi coach wanted the players. Beka run up behind the defense just ebele ngalindi kuye. But now makamkhipha abanombule. Ibonile ufaka uKabelo. And then he put also when you follow in one. I forget it, I think it will come now. Izobuya ke ngone. Nibonile afake uKabelo, claim adonsa umbule. I think Umbutu
ufake noMbuthu.
Yes, ufake noMbuthu. Now, for me, uKabelo, I think we try this slow. He came, we try to be slow, but I understand uKabelo dala ngahlali. You understand, but we why I came, I think you came to the party. Ngibonile kumlile college and coach Shawu. What do you think it changed? Coach Lenzile, keep Nomtetshela for you and Nombole. Do you think it was the right move for the coach?
Mina njengoba ngisho Khotmane kulama game so that's where mina ngisho ngithi you need to compromise because already uyazi ukuthi ufuna ama goals, you need more goals more than them. For mina bengizokhipha wonke la bengizokhipha bonke mhlawumbe ngizodonsa one defender and pull one defensive midfielder ngingadlali nge-defensive midfielder because I could see ukuthi I don't know like iPirates there azange bathole more threat. Okay, even that guy was alone but you can't ukuthi ungahlupha abantu alone use you understand. China zange bamteste kangaka but so bengasiboni isidingo sokuthi ba defend that much you understand. So for me na bengeke ngimkhiphe uMasindi because he's a player manje umbonile ubonayo ukuthi lo muntu uphakamisa isandla lapha every game ayidlalayo uyambona ukuthi uzimisele lo mfana. So njengoba ngisho ngithi mono player ufana noMasindi umuntu uthanda ukujoina and then une player uthanda ukujoina deep and then you don't have a number 9 when you make it difficult for him because uzoba joiner but every time shoot amabhola with him let's thembele ku wing play. Even if we go to the box angeke ngisasinada kangaka because asinayo reference lapha. But if we have umuntu ofana noMakgopa njengoba ngisho sometimes when Makgopa move a defender out that's when we need a deep run ukuthi okay one of the central midfielders can go into that hole. But manje uthola ukuthi kuna 2 ama central midfielder whereby ukuthi ama central midfielder will drop deep ama center back ayajabula because they've got more cover. They can cover anywhere labafuna khona because like ibo basena pressure. You understand? So every time when they have the ball sekumele baye ema-side because central you can't play more central because when the ball goes to the other side you have more teams baya valley ground there. So if you close the central area a combination play it will be difficult. That's when you need somebody ukuthi yazoba central so that izoba ne-variety. Sometimes we need uMakgopa ukuthi okay sometimes not wabambe bazoshaya bafuna ukushaya abantu yabakona abanasikhathi. I think in ama penalty bebazowathola. Yeah, you understand. But if you have players, more players coming from deep trying to attack, I think it make it more difficult and in the energy because sometimes you'll make a deep run running to somebody like umuntu uzimele because sometimes lento yama run sifuna nisenze variety because we say when a mover ukuthi maka mover now mina so that things will take a little space, you understand. If it doesn't move with you then I will play you the ball uzoba ne space ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi trap iball uthiyani. So I think bezoba nceda kanjani in terms of you uvarita i-player but playing without a false 9 inzima lento sayibona ngeBarcelona yibo abantu bebayimastara. Yeah, but ngaphandle kwabo because into bebayidlala like we win without, you understand.
And it's a philosophy from development. You can tell those players don't move off the ball. I think
I understand.
they funa abantu aba intelligent to move off the ball even the first touch yabo understanding the strengths ayinhlala. Yeah, hard luck to you on Pirates idlalile Pirates just that njengoba ngisho mina I think team yabo they need leadership as well, balance team experience and I believe what they need to get even experience, especially going to this trophy. Going to game Kaizer Chiefs mfethu ngibona iChiefs iletha abantu top 7. Chiefs yashaya abantu 3. 3-1. What do you think of the game? Ngibone first goal I think this boy Ecuador scored and ngibonile uLilebo imbiza ngo teaspoon Machaka and Ecuador finish. Second goal I think uKwinyika. It's a good set piece umfana. Third goal what his name I think uLilebo.
No. First goal Ecuador.
Yes. Second uLilebo, third uKwinyika. Yes. What do you think Chiefs ngibona shot 3 goals na first 20 minutes or 23 30 minutes 25 minutes? What do you think of the game 50%?
Into engayisho manje ngamakhosi amahle unaHotman ne. Masibheka into this game, I think they had a good game. Benza into very important uHotman. This kind of games they need ukuthi usecure early. Scoring 3 goals early because if they've allowed iSimba ukuthi ikore bebazoyenza igame yabo ibe nzima. So sengizobashilela ngelizandla ukuthi hayi siyabonga ukuthi bakore early like bazenzele like igame yabo nabo ukuthi ibe easy. Understand? Because ukuthi bakore le 3 goals in 25 minutes it makes things easier for them. Ukuthi bangasa rush anything. Even nokuyehlisa pressure because babuya ku 5 home games without a win. You understand? So badlala ama-draw benzani. So but I think it was a good results for them.
We need to be realistic. Chiefs away. We saw Nakonoma clips. Now it's another game that they were not televising, similar like Pirates. It Chiefs yet upon clear cut chances. Connelly to press punch away. Kulma last week. It Chiefs must peg our chances, though we never saw the whole game 90 minutes. We're talking about the whole game. Kulmanga away. But must bona ama clips Chiefs deserve to win Kulmanga away. So we expect to continue we expect being in terms of the Chiefs by eliminator will come.
No, Hotman mangithi ngiyabheka Hotman if you can check South African league is stronger than the African and compared to even if Pirates ikhishwe iLupopo, but I don't think man ukuthi even nathi into yasibulala like la ku South Africa kakhulu. If you can check in the last 10-15 years ne bese ngayithatha serious iCAF Champions League, these African games ama-games wa Africa bese ngawathatha serious. But I think manje everybody ubonile we stand a good chance ngama South African teams ukuthi they can go far way Africa.
Sengisho ukuthi wona mawubheka bo expect ukuthi kuneMiracle engenzeka after Chiefs Mr. Machance angaka away kule team. The team to think good being IPT Chiefs da home crane Chiefs.
Bona they had chances ukuthi bebangawina because if you can check bona they had an advantage because iChiefs ayikoranga away bamene advantage yokuthi manje beza away. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi if they scored a goal base change izinto. But njengoba ngisho ngithi ikhosi man nalo lisiprovile futhi man ukuthi bathole lama early goals like bayenzele izinto zabo ukuthi zaba simple. Ukuprova nokuthi standard sethu nalabantu asilingani. So as much as noma banga struggle la ekhaya but they prove ukuthi South African football is standard sethu man is high.
Well done to Kaizer Chiefs for getting 3 goals in I think 20-25 minutes. I think the game plan was very, very simple to Chiefs. Which Tina so utilize kulento like critical game. Critical phase of a game. First 20 minutes are going to put pressure. So far we need to far under pressure. Either way we need to get the goal. By how we don't care. And well done to Kaizer Chiefs. First goal na bamdlalisa similar lento kaMrini Pirates uLepo dlala left down left bamdlalisa according to strengths sakhe na he can't take somebody on. If take somebody on uthatha decision wrong we are wide for me and enthola ukuthi we are weaker foot mela Luisa wona since I say weak or side the goalkeeper or mhlambe no defense now bebamdlalisa wing bakudlala le space between the right center back ne right wing back bayidlala la. And well done ngoba the first touch we shy kahle, good first touch, good shots I think to the goalkeeper albusela phakathi Ecuador positioning wena star, good finish to this guy Okadaro. And Second goal, set piece. Lentwana leya lazibona. I was talking to Goodlev, one of the best talent, but he was it was wrong developed for me. I need to be realistic. Mhlawumbe omunye umuntu angeke understand uma ngithi development. Angithi thina ama cut and paste South Africa siyafuna. Wrong developed lentwana leya. Ila ma player for me yofana namanye ama player with amateur wala 24, 25, 26. Lentwana ibhodi yalazi umfundo Villiers, but he was wrong developed. Character kanayo man. You can't rely on him now, which is number 10. Ngoba kimi bamdlalisa right wing and udlale kahle, but it's far from ibali.
Usesikanini man.
Yeah,
because
for me.
uposes technique umfundo is a player who supposed ukuthi kumele abaphase. These strikers akusi player kumele aliphase ukuthi lona alirun, akusi player ukuthi kumele lwenze i-1-on-1.
Yeah, it's on.
Uyi player kumele connect in terms of ama 1-2 azokwazi ukuba nama shot and goal, azokwazi ukuba nama assist. Because I think he's not a player ukuthi kumele athole ibhola after isikhathi eside. Yama player kumele ahlezi asebholweni ukuthi akhone nokuthi abuild i-confidence. But I think nami ngokuthi bamdlalise i-winger man. Against yona, I think a proper position ezingasho last ukuthi i-number 10 I think ingamsuthi.
Yeah, bamtruste bamdlalisa number 10 and take umuntu on the left hand side once. I want to see that umuntu ngeke adlale number 10 le Anthony khona. Umuntu must go wide. Engimbonile ka left abuyiselinye ibhola ngo left, can kick nango left, into engiyibonile good technique, umuntu unayo this thing technique. You understand? Chiefs, well done. I think they started very well. Front three abibanike enye dimension. Kwadoro. Uyimfundo Villiers. Do umfundo beladlala ngama-moment. Fair man. Mela liphase nala kumele landa umuntu akuSolomon. Bebadlala ngoSolomon le Liverpool. But uSolomon naye into enginotisile, they scored 3 goals tactically. It was very dangerous for you, of you as a wing back. Priority yokuqala to defend in leader 3-0. You want to go forward more. Just stay there tactically. Their team there. Just in leader 3-0, there was no pressure. Comfortable win from Kaizer Chiefs. They came there, very comfortable win from Kaizer Chiefs. Stay there, just pass. Aslanking with to support, but he wanted to do that many times. I'm not too sure with the instruction from the coach. But well done also to this guy in church. I need to be realistic. Udlale kahle. Leangwenye bezibazeke space. Him nalo mfana uNkosimpile. Big neveration. I love the 2-1 eye of Fetchipol. I'm told Nkosimpile. Because you can't have these two midfielders angadlali together sometimes. So well done today to Mobabai. They dominated the game. I need to be realistic from in all angles for me. Angazi bona kanje.
Yeah, kona futhi mani game bona bayidominate because iChiefs noma check kule game everything man bayenze kahle understand.
Yeah.
Because even you can check in terms of defensive there was no threat. Like I can tell good like babene threat engaka from this team. So I think man umeke yabo bayenze grind. And then another thing Ox is not a bad player ngalendlela ukuthi so ukuthi man their position njengoba sisho ukuthi modern football. But for me as a coach mina bengamtshela Ox ukuthi Ox when you win a position mina into engifuna kuwe ukuthi nje uswinele ibhola, don't play fancy, don't play ama assist, angifuni assist, angifuni stats. Stats sake ngisifuna nje ukuthi ukhathi play kuphela. Into ayenza ufuna umuntu nje every time aka win ibhola uzoba seduze kwakho ukuthi hayi it's fine manje ishayile ndoda letha like kimi manje ngichubeke because yena uma ungacheck Khatamatheka Bayern it's very important for the Kaizer Chiefs as much as in terms with Malbuya sometimes unokulwina lose position but yena ubone nokuthi important moment uyacheka akekho umuntu solo kwathi ukuyabheda but akekho umuntu ophumayo akakaphumi ingene omunye umuntu solo kuba zothi Ox but Ox uzodlala each and every game but then into engimthanda ngayo i1 uyawakhatamatheka Chanje umuntu ozomcomplimenta la eceleni kwakho ukuthi hayi ngokuthi ukulwina ndoda wena sifuni stats asifuni next Chanje keep it simple ukuthi nje sazi ukuthi sihlezi siku position.
I mean I differ with you. Their position from umuntu smart kakhulu Michael. You need a person who will play from a tight space. You need a person who link defense and attack. You need a person who knows ukwazi ukudlala long and short, accuracy nakuma pass because you can win it in the dangerous position. Lose khona la cause yena right he cuts so many he's playing like a center back for me and yes that's why I differ.
Angisho that's why ngisho kanjalo ukuthi okay yona singasho ukuthi in that position vele that's why manje mangathi uyibheka lento abasayibizi nge defensive midfielder manje but is a deep line playmaker like we playmaker you're the one who must support ukuthi uyenze team la but manje sikhuluma reality who can play that role at Chiefs manje.
Bona they don't have that Maruma Buyuko.
uma uqeda ukusayina manje sikhuluma like reality uqeda ukusayina manje uqeda ukuthola into
mabuya
i-contract and uyabona ngathi ubuya ku-injury or angazi ukuthi bekwenzakalani bekangadlala ama-games apha u-Ox bekasoloko adlala so sizobona na ukuthi kwenzakalani but mina for mina kwamanje because uyazi ukuthi bathi sebenza ngento nayo sometimes yeah mongona la kuzala ukuthi uzothenga the best player ukuthi uzolithola lapha for that position so uzoyenzani if ukhona zama ukuthi improve yena lokho man.
Yeah, it's a pity team yabo mina I need to be realistic. Team yabo average. I need to usafuna more from them. Mini average. That's why consistency ngabi khona. Sometimes the performance that's why some the supporters they get excited and ngeke uba blame and then the next game they lose another game they throw and stuff because the team yabo average. We is ukuthi playing according to game yabo lebi bayidlala current. Position edlala lapha which is you need a special player la. I'm signing I think they were wrong. Yes, Mabuye. I think it's going to help them, but you need number 10 ohlala cool. Second half, which is batidlali. I need to make sure this and yonke into bebayenza kule game wonderful for me even namasapo abo ngonile just to mood. I believe kunokuthi adlale somore aqale umori second half kumele afake uSerini because he got 3 chances kumele kube 6-7 iscore lapha. What happened mfana? Why Modi missing? We talk about the senior player.
Eshumura ngazi man ukuthi or mhlawumbe ufuna ukushaya ama-fancy goal is not the first time phela lento mangacheka uMori imenzakalela man. Seyinesikhathi imenzakalela lento ukuthi amiste ama-opportunity abhaya kanje man. Eshaya kubi man ukuthi angathola i-confident yakhe azama ukuthi man azi aphalise na man kulama goals wakhe so that he can boost his confidence, understand? Akekho bad ngaleyo ndlela la manje ibhola uyalicaba but uyalazi ibhola without i-confident angeke wenze next man.
Yeah, before indaba sishaya isikhathi Michael mfana i-Sundowns won comfortably. It's about Champions League. Champions League is ahead of the Confederation. Ile midlalo Pirates and Sundowns. Sundowns went to Nigeria. I think they won 5-1. Very comfortable. The game was televised. Ngayibukela lo game. Coming this side, yakora 5 goals away. They dominated the game. They scored the identity ngabukela Sundowns side they played away ngibukele le game akunaskele. Sundowns started very slow season now. I think I was not convinced before Nuno come ngikhuluma ngale ngwenyuno nasePortugal Resinho the other one. Yes, I think ngifuna ukumbona there's players that we have more than Resinho for me kunama player that you can get more than him. Going to the game in Nigeria ecelebe bayidlala yase Nigeria. Did you see uyayibukela le game away?
Ngaleya wengene ngayibukela.
What do you think of Sundowns away lesikhathi badlala? You were convinced?
Into engikutshela nokuthi man about Sundowns is one Sundowns the different about this and Sundowns like mabayibuilda leya team like the team manje like it was built like into abayi-prepare a long time ago, you understand? So manje soloko kuchubekani there's continuity even if ba-struggle these guys 11 years in a row man they've been through to ama-group stages with Champions League so the experience to play there noma singakhuluma sithini 11 years you understand man for bona akusinto esingathi into evele kibo into esaziyo vele ukuthi into ezoyenzakala particularly.
Yeah, very convincing nami ngoba I'm not surprised with Basele. Yes, Pirates they are unfortunate.
Yeah.
But the experience, seasoned players at Sundowns, top class players, talk about the depth, the experience is leading the main goal. Compose, are playing away in Nigeria, Sundowns, they play the way they wanted. Yeah, but different Sundowns, this guy, coach is too relaxed on the bench, away. Coming to the game there weekend, ngimbonile 1-2 ngibukela game I need to be realistic. Ngibone bengibeka ngapha, ngibheka ngabheka iChiefs ngibheka both. Played very well Sundowns la ngani mangibheka izolo combination play. Identity. Yabo nje obusho. Mikel Carlos a different coach yesterday, even as Nigeria different coach. Nuno bring another dimension. Angazi uzongitshela Michael, what do you think Sundowns mayibukela Saturday?
Yeah, I think Sundowns nayo nje slow nayo. I think it needed players man, fresh players because now uma ungacheka ne ukuhamba kwa Ribeiro naye was a player with like beka bancenta nga everything because he would play assist tayo, he score goals, does everything one like beka sectional so this season ucala umbheki season mayicala man. Bubona ukuthi like the babamthing I play lifana no Ribeiro space sakhe bubona ukuthi like sikhona, but I think ngokuthi balethe uNuno, I think kuzoba i-different Sundowns futhi.
Michael, as ngisho man, I was always convinced mina yabona laba bantu the experience of it. We like it on the job of 10, 11 years dominating South African football, not Champions League. Go through. Yes, they vital, yeah. Because Champions League and Petit pretty much two different things. Even players who are to always getting this call up for national team, playing regular, I think it plays a major role. Because the Champions League Sundowns, you know very well what you'll go through, as usual. And it goes with experience. Talent won't take you anyway in Kulmangale tournament. You need to have a strong mentality. You must be strong psychologically, also physical. No bring individual talents. They were a different player. Unono is more of a team player. Yes, una individual part, a team player. Also, it a shining in your winners. He was wearing a pass. And I'm glad we got the coup. Just letting Fulumbo when chips are down. Yeah, we drop my down, we can carry the team like repair. But do not bring it another dimension in Sundown. They're pushing number 10 double and out. And what I love, he moves off the ball as well. But hold on to Sundowns. Anything even need Mkwena Mfiti, very vital player. Always evergreen for Sundowns. And Bonile two a special player, special for their pushing Sundowns pitch. Allen Nyaz with DC to Allen and Army. Sometimes I get thinking about critical to him, but they're very special player for Sundowns in terms of keeping the position. Ngoba badlala nga 2 midfield, 2. And then they play with Nuno as number 10. And Allen is more free player, they get forward. Angene that much on the box. You can't expect umuntu ongakhona ama-goal. But Nuno bring umuntu fetch ibola from Alende. Always umkenya simplify. Lento to ifuna kulo mjita lo cheese or ox. Yena lo mthetho. Umkenya can do that. Also vary the game. Uyakwazi ukucarry ibhola, attack nebhola ey'nyaweni zakhe. And he also can receive, just play basic. And then mhlawumbe akhathe also ne-supply. Ukwazi ukwenza into eningi kakhulu. What do you think of immediate the Sundowns ngikhuluma ngawo for the weekend, ngikhuluma ngasathi Sunday?
I think uNuno is bringing a different dimension njengoba usho, but into emnandi ngabo manje because uNuno is a player uthanda ukuya kuma-spaces, i-player uthanda is a different player compared to Abo Allen and Abo Jaden Adams, you understand? Because when you're a central midfielder, that's what we expect from you. Sfunama goals, Sfunama assists, taken at the end of the day. Because we can't say with me and the midfielder, but we don't have goals. Stats are goals, none. Because modern football, manje check, it's all about stats, man. You can check on stats, man. You understand? Allen then, okay, we have that's why my third season they were trying, is because bona badlala, it's fine for the sake of playing, it's good, but udlala nabantu abasileyo angeke uba-hated that much. So mona ama-player afana naboNuno is very skillful, he can run off the ball. Uyabona ukuthi lo muntu lo uzokuhetha kanini.
And obvious, Mdiba is bringing another dimension. I know we always debate nabanye abantu Mdiba mfethu. Technically very good, is more of a attacker. Yabo angithi abumkwena bababekele leyo nto mhlambe nabo Alele to cover. Sunday when it's gone. But how he bring it is very important play at Sundowns. He become a left midfield. Sometimes he become a wing forward. I assume it is a very clever player from Sundowns. Well done, and also I think what do you think, Michael? Where to see Sundowns? They will go all the way with Flugas. With Champions League. Ubabona baphelela kuphi mfana?
Mina into engibabona ngayo futhi ngibona ukuthi bazofika futhi ku-final.
Yeah.
As long bazo-improve, they will improve game by game. I think bazofika ku-final. And then enye into njengoba ngisho ukuthi man, if you can check, PSL teams man si-strong man compared to these other African teams, understand? So it's a mess ukuthi bona sekuya ngabo ukuthi nje bayithatha kanjani, but bona nje they will still go far ku-Champions League. Yeah. Mabona bayafika.
Yeah, Michael nami mfethu ngibabhekile Sundowns mina always believe at Sundowns mfethu ngendlela ukuthi you know laba bantu laba mfethu mina you waiting different Sundowns le ngiyibona iqala isizini. I was shocked mina ukuthi this guy what is he doing. I'm talking about the identity. In fact, the philosophy is very important. Like the identity of the team. You cannot. It's Sundowns the way they were playing so many years. They were not just winning games. They won in style. And the reason kuba ne momentum because of it. So ngibona manje kunama cut and paste. Sometimes they play this long ball. The type of players Sundowns now being accommodate the type of football coach wanted. Especially masekadliwa okanye kuthola team em-attack-ayo. Embuza ama-question. But when I saw Sundowns in Nigeria calm and cool and calm, the coach, and coming to his own record la enough stars, beautiful to see. Cause he's also not Italian to World Cup, I'm sure. And the Pirates is an unfortunate. It was going to help us going to World Cup.
Now AFCON.
Now
Because we're
AFCON.
going to AFCON.
And also the AFCON, right? So also Stellenbosch, just we rap and fit, yeah. Stellenbosch shy for Michael. So it was a brilliant game. Ithini mfana kula bafana la Stellenbosch because it's about the young team.
Khulumani mthana mkhuluma ngale yamatala Steve Parker. Lele simkhumule isigqoko lemjita simshaya izandla but what is doing lapha ku Stellenbosch. Imagine ngawonke ama key players abamthathele wona lemjita but still usalwela nangaphandle. Naku manje usachubeka like kuye sesenalento ukuthi whoever ukuthi noma ubani wahambayo but uyayazi le goal yakhe afuna ukuyireach ukuthi ina club because you can see ukuthi noma kuhamba la ama player bazostruggle lose games but Stellenbosch will remain a Stellenbosch. Yeah, it's one of the strongest team esinayo. Even without even baspende kakhulu.
Talent and dedication. It's fight talent. It's not about money.
Yeah,
you are right because Steve Parker na make different coach. Ngimbonile kuma tags ngibona Steve Parker. Yeah, coach ama tags. I think a different coach. I think bamnikile this role with okay, become a coach. Wherever, sorry, lo oye waneta that mindset yokuthi coach. We're going to believe we're going to bring youngsters, a proper youngsters. Development to kuzoba ifeeder first team. And sodlala ngawo lawo ma-player. Ukhuluma nange-philosophy, how he plays. Steve ngimbonile mina ku-Ducks mfethu. U-different u-Steve. And i-team yakho kuna build up. Idlala nge-split sharp. I know with this counter-attack and stuff. Depending ukuthi udlala naphi ama-team mara. I-team ekwadlala kwasidlala nge-intensity high, one touch, two touch. They can win a combination play. Well done to Steve Parker. Nami ngimshayela izandla. So Michael mfethu just kuthi rap ngisayiphinde ngizoyibiza. Who do you think is going to win the league mfana? Le mina ngiyiphinde.
Like Petri Premiership.
Yeah.
Orlando Pirates.
Orlando Pirates. Yeah, no, nami ngizoyirapha ngalowo mina mfethu ngithi mina I still believe Sundowns is going to win the league. And yeah, obviously it's a game of opinion. Yeah, it's a topic for another day ngokuzana nje. And the Pirates I think they playing against Makesi tomorrow. And what do you think?
Ngathi weekends yabhekana.
And the Sundowns. Ngifuna ukwazi what's the prediction Sundowns and Pirates. Asiqale ngale Makesi. What do you think of tomorrow? Pirates Makesi.
Pirates izocollecta 3 points. Izowina.
No, it's a car. I don't play label.
Yeah, mara izowina izoya ku next stage Pirates.
Yeah.
Kule cup izoya ku next stage. Pirates Hotman iba strong Hotman.
Nyabazi.
The only team that's gonna beat Pirates. Pirates yona ngokwayo izozidla yona.
Yeah.
Njengamanje ku Champions League. I think le 3-0 yiyo into ukuthi baconsider kakhulu ebakhiphile.
Yeah, Nami, I see tomorrow's game, Pirates are going to win. It's not going to be easy. Makesi is going to make it difficult for the Pirates. I know with the Pirates will dominate the game. Weekend in front of the weekend, Sundowns Pirates. What's the prediction?
I think Pirates is going to win that game.
Pirates going to win.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm such a man. There's a Sundowns and so watching them 2 games. I always believe. It's a 50-50 coaching. They've got strong players. Pirates not gonna be easy. I can say Pirates one of the exciting team this year. But Sundowns at the end of the day, because of the experience of Champions League, the experience of winning Betway Premiership, the core of the team, they're going to win the game for me.
Yeah, I mean, into engibona iPirates kule season, I think nokuthi baphume ku Champions League mhlawumbe kuzoba a blessing in disguise for bona ukuthi bafocus. I think kumele bayi-end le dominance Sundowns nayo. Because na singa focus ku Champions League kakhulu but singa focus on like ngokuthi Sundowns
blessing in disguise
winning the league angaze for how many season manje ngaphandle ukuthi kube nomuntu manje sifuna i-team nayo ezonqamula lento ye-Sundowns manje.
It's a wish or you've got a strong belief.
I'm not believe Pirates this season. If the coach continue into the right, I think Pirates will win it this season.
Azomthathu ibhale phansi lezi Sundowns ziphakamisa.
Angisho into engisho ngithi owadu yibo kuphela iPirates bazozidla bona because banawo ama player yonke into I think yena into azozidla nganje yiyo lento le yama lineup wakhe la.
Yeah.
Because yabona mona ama plans wemba maningi ugcina ungasazi ukuthi ufake bani.
Yeah.
Ufake bani, you understand? Because Pirates manje nge-depth abanayo for mina hayi. Ngibona man bazoyibina.
Yeah, baphethe team make the mistake. That's why bengidoubt mina nalento ka number 9 they need to decide. Very vital. Singayidelela le ka number 9 they need to decide who to start. Le ukuthi udlale ngiyathanda mina nami force 9 I do that. I love that, but really if you competing kuna-Rhinos Sundowns they make peace with Rhinos start unoshadile whatever but they start with Rhinos and they're continuity and it's doing well, very well. Abafuni ukulimaza leyo momentum unless njengamanje alimele fake sin-strike njenge-Pirates Saturday njengoba as much as ukuthi mina ngibelieve abantu bekumele bamcala. Yeah, Michael ngiyabonga mfethu awutsire Junior Kanye TV. Don't forget #bet with the best #WorldSportsBetting 1520 ezasevutha the Brazilians the Sao Paulo